To recover your disabled Facebook account, start by taking a screenshot of the error message displayed on your screen. Save this screenshot, as it will be required later in the process. Once you've done that, log out of your Facebook account from your phone completely and ensure it's permanently logged out. Next, open a browser on your device and search for Meta Portal on Google. From the search results, click on the Meta Portal Help Center link, which should appear at the top. Once the Help Center page opens, scroll down and click on the Fix a Problem option. After that, scroll further and click on Contact Support to proceed. In the Support section, select Meta Portal and then navigate to the Account section. Here, you will find the option labeled I Need Assistance with my Facebook account. If your account is the one that is disabled, choose the first option. Next, click on My Facebook account was disabled, and when prompted, select This does not solve my issue to continue. Now, provide your details in the recovery form. Enter your full name and an active email address that you can use for correspondence. Scroll down to the Please Provide Additional Information section and write a detailed explanation of your issue. You can use a pre-written recovery message template if you have one. Continue filling out the form by entering your username, email address, password, and phone number. Once all the fields are completed, click on the Choose File option and upload the screenshot of the disabled account error screen that you saved earlier. Finally, click on the Submit button to send your recovery request. After submitting the form, wait for approximately 48 hours and try logging back into your account. This process is highly effective, and your account should be restored successfully within the specified time.